Education is evolving, and so should your institution. Meet Ciphemic Technologies, the leader in innovative educational solutions designed to prepare schools, universities, and students for the future. Our AI-powered learning management system offers personalized learning experiences, 24/7 accessibility, efficient grading, and real-time data insights for educators. With Composite Skill Labs, we bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical skills, empowering students with hands-on experiences in emerging fields like AI, robotics, and data science. Imagine a learning ecosystem that integrates interactive simulations, assessments, and gamification to boost engagement and knowledge retention. Ciphemic brings all of this to your institution. Educators, we make your job easier with automated administrative tools, scalable education platforms, and support to focus on what truly matters: teaching. Upgrade your institution with Ciphemic technologies. Together, let's build a future-ready education system that inspires innovation and success. Call us at +91 85445 79288 or visit ciphemic.com. Contact Ciphemic today to transform your educational vision into reality.